Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best 3D pens available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Mint 3D Pen. The Doodle Sketch and Paint in 3D comes with this quality pen. It features a stepless variable extrusion speed control that allows for dialing in the perfect flow. The temperature can be changed to allow for ABS or PLA printing. This drawing kit comes with a lightweight ergonomic stylus, 3 colors of ABS plastic and a 100 to 240 volts AC 50/60ths of a Hertz adapter. The Super 3D pen uses the same gearbox and replaceable nozzle design as the Pro 3D pen. It does not have the OLED display or discrete temperature adjustment. There is instead a temperature adjustment screw for switching between ABS and PLA. The Super 3D printing pen is great for kids, artists and engineers of all ages. You can check out our projects and tutorials guide online to get your imagination flowing. At number 6 we have 3Doodler 3D pen. The 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials pen set combines art and design with technology in a fun and creative way. Its easy to use, uncomplicated technology drives engagement and comprehension of critical STEM subjects. The young learners ages 6 to 13 years old will thrive when they experience what it's like to use their hands and minds as they bring their ideas to life in 3D. It is designed with no external hot parts. It comes with the press of a button. Plastic extrudes and hardens rapidly, allowing kids to literally create anything. The 3Doodler Start Plus combines art and design with technology in a fun and creative way. Its easy to use, uncomplicated technology drives engagement and comprehension of critical STEM subjects. The 3Doodler Start Plastics have all been subjected to the strictest standards of safety testing. At number 5 we have Mint 3D pen. You can hold the magic of 3D printing in your hand with the Mint 3D Professional 3D pen. Now you can use FDM technology in any application, varying from drafting and prototyping to spatial learning and three-dimensional sculpting. Whether you're an engineer or an artist, the Mint 3D pen will take your design projects to greater heights. It comes with the Mint 3D pen. You can crank up the extrusion speed for larger fill-in areas and turn it down slow to create intricate works of art. The stepless design lets you dial in the optimal speed for any task you can throw at it. The Mint 3D pen is USB powered so that it can be used with battery power banks and lets you maneuver the pen in ways that would be impossible for a larger design. At number 4 we have Scrib 3D pen. The new Scrib 3D P1 3D pen helps improve spatial thinking, creativity and artistic skills. It is great for quality family time and as a practical tool for making handmade gifts or decorations, or for everyday fixes around the home. The P1 pen features a stepless speed function designed for optimal speed control no matter the task. Whether slow or intricate projects or faster infill work, the red light will turn on indicating warm up. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Double-click the forward button to start and feed the filament through the back of the pen. Once the filament has reached the nozzle of the pen, click forward to stop. Press and hold the forward button or double-click for a continuous flow. At number 3 we have Mint 3D pen. The Mint 3D Junior is shaped to be the perfect size and shape for smaller hands for hours of fun and entertainment. It comes with no external hot components and an internal operating temperature of 88°C. There is no risk of burns like with ABS/PLA pens and perfect for ages 6 to 12. It has encouraged creativity and spatial awareness in your future STEM students. The Mint 3D Junior is the best outlet for freeform creativity. This Junior 2 is updated with the same sealed nozzle design as more advanced Mint 3D pens to stop clogs and provide countless hours of enjoyment and learning. At number 2 we have Scrib 3D pen. The P1 3D pen helps improve spatial thinking, creativity and artistic skills. It is great for family time and as a practical tool for making handmade gifts or decorations or for fixes around the home. The P1 pen features a stepless speed function designed for optimal speed control no matter the task. You can just plug in, heat it up and enjoy the fun of creating three-dimensional masterpieces. PLA is a versatile, easy-to-use printing plastic that is great for both first-time and advanced users. You can simply press and hold the forward button or double-click for a continuous flow. Once you have completed your design, press and hold the reverse button to retract filament. At number 1 we have Scrib 3D pen. It features an ergonomic design, larger buttons, a LCD screen for clear mode/temperature display and indicator lights. The P1 ceramic nozzle and premium motor ensure safety and high performance without clogging. Also equipped with 2-minute auto sleep function after 3D doodling stops. The P1 has an easy-to-use stepless speed slider designed for optimal speed adjustment. It is perfect for any task from slow and intricate projects to faster infill work. PLA is great for printing directly onto surfaces. ABS is best used for drawing in the air as well as for first-time users. It is built-in safety features, anti-clogging features, and intuitive controls ensure a seamless doodling experience. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best 3D pens for your need.